Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the CPP Week to Wicked set here, and just coming in here doing a little checkup on day 2, and what a difference a day makes here. So here we got the high capacity gas tank here. I believe that's about 25 or 29 gallons. We got the rear end in on a new 4-link system with coilovers and some beautiful big brake CPP brakes here. Let's just kind of walk around here and kind of take the whole thing in here. One of the guys is kind of working through lunch right now, just getting some last minute stuff done, and we'll walk around here and take a look at the front end. Now they've done another big brake kit here with the CPP 500 box. Looking good, guys, looking really good. Full front suspension with Viking coilovers on the front. Again, all this stuff is available through Danchuk Manufacturing, so just give us a call. Coming right along here, but as you can see, the chassis is coming together. Really nice here. So let's come over here, and they've been doing some work here on the body here, this beautiful red and gray body. Let's kind of walk around here, see what's going on here. And some that scares a lot of us, the wiring. Aaron Hemisick over at Orange County Hot Rods has been working away on this, kind of wiring up stuff for the power windows and some of the other stuff inside. They've got the AC unit out right now. They're working on that. And they've got a lot of stuff, a lot of preparation here for the new interior that's coming from TMI. And that should be showing up here in the next couple of days here. They've got all the glass in already. And they're just cranking away on us. Here's the unit over here that they chose to use. Somebody's working on the bench doing some plumbing. Looks like they're making some lines up for that to get that handled so it can go back in. Still a long ways to go here, but again, this is day 2. Hopefully in the next day or so they'll be getting the body mated to the chassis. Just another look at what we got going on over here. We got the LT1 here. They've been working on that. They're getting ready to install a new pulley system to work with that, so it's going to be really slick, nice, tight, and compact there. And though the motor doesn't look like anything right now, once they get done with it, with all the little goodies and the little dress-up stuff, this thing's going to be a stunner. And it's going to go, well, you know how it's going to go, guys. Anyways, it's got the full smooth firewall with the custom trans tunnel make the room for the Tremec manual transmission. And we'll finish up over here, coming back to this. This is just a beautiful setup. I'm a big brake and suspension guy, and this is just my eye candy right here. Tubular upper control arms, double adjustable Viking coilovers, high clearance sway bars. Just really neat stuff. So this car is gonna be a dream to drive, and just something to enjoy. So anyways, we'll stay tuned and check back in with us. So we'll be doing daily updates at the Week to Wicked build for the 55 2-door sedan, brought to you by CPP and sponsored by Danchuk Manufacturing. Talk to you soon.